Can you say can?
Can.
Good morning. It is Monday and it is total and utter chaos. We're flying to Cannes today. We're taking so much stuff out with us and I'm taking my kids, which might mean that I am totally and utterly batshit crazy. If I was flying in and out, then that's one thing, but we are doing Tuesday, putting on 2 events. I've got a lunch with Cannes. Wednesday, we're putting on another event with Cannes. Thursday, I have got a rehearsal because I'm speaking. Friday, speaking. And then I was like, why am I spending no time with my kids? Like, they're not at school yet. Let them see the world. So I think there's 4 of us in total. Full disclosure, I have help. So we're taking a babysitter out with us who knows the kids really, really well. She's their key worker at nursery and we love her to pieces. So that obviously like puts my mind at ease massively. But somehow we've taken like 2 suitcases because Cannes is basically a fashion show. But then we're also taking over like 200 branded cups, 200 branded sliders for a yacht party that the team are doing. I've only been to Cannes once before and I just went as a general punter and really felt overwhelmed. And now I'm going back and there's 3 parts to it. So 1, I'm an ambassador for Cannes this year. 2, I am speaking at Cannes, which is an absolute tick work-wise. Then we're also, one of my businesses is a supplier for Cannes, helping them to facilitate some of their like intimate supper club experiences. So just like totally wild, totally mental, absolutely amazing. And very much like just take a minute because I tell everyone else to do it, like insanely proud. Obviously I left my big sexy agency with the CEO title and built myself a very structured portfolio career, which has taken, you know, the best part of 3 years to do. And it feels good. Whether or not I feel like this when I'm like 2 hours into having 14 members, 2 kids in Cannes, who knows? Keep watching and see if I fall apart.
You taking baby on holiday?
Yeah.
You take both babies? No, they're staying here. Just your rucksack.
Right, we have got a 2-hour drive to Gatwick.
It's a nice relaxing holiday with 18 pairs of shoes.
I've had the worst night's sleep I think I've ever had in my entire life. We got delayed whilst on the plane and then we also got delayed when we were coming down to land. Went and got a car and 2, I think it was, car seats were broken. And then when the kids got to the house, obviously you've got to unpack, get everything sorted. And they were absolutely wrecked, like fully just on their knees. We don't have aircon in the house that we're staying in. And it's like 30 degrees at like 4 a.m. So I didn't even attempt to get to sleep until about 3 a.m. Then my little one woke up, then my big one woke up, then my little one woke up again. We're just going to see what today entails. But it is essentially our day 1 of Cannes, day 2 of Cannes. We have got 2 different events running. I've got a lunch with Cannes, so let's go.
Hi everyone, Rob Mayhew, Adlan's favourite in-house comedian. A few years ago, this was after I went for an interview with Sedge and she didn't give me the job. Sedge said to me, if there's something you need to do and it takes 5 minutes, get it done. And now, at home, whenever I have something I need to do, my wife will say, just sedge it. So that's a new term, I want it to like take off, that's the thing. Rather than let all these little things pile up, sedge it, get it done, and then you'll feel better by the end of the day. Sedge!
Lily, who did you just bump into?
Jay Shetty. It was the highlight of my life, probably.
Effective qualities are
Longer than walking,
No, this is,
but you'll
this is
arrive.
all part of the fun.
And at least we're not sweaty when we arrive for some lunch.
Very chilled. I recommend it.
So good. So talk to me about how you ended up getting a branded car. So I just managed to get changed in about 4 minutes with my kids at my ankles, but I've spent the whole day away from the kids. Heard a couple of great talks, saw Jay Shetty, which was actually the highlight for me. His recent episode with Emily was honestly one of the hardest things I've ever watched and listened to in my entire life. Unbelievable human, really amazing talk at Spotify Beach, and then went to meet the Cannes team because we're doing a couple of bits and pieces with them today. Managed to get an Uber, went home, saw the kids, got changed, and now I'm back out on my way to host our first supper club for Cannes. The supper club guest list is amazing. We've got like Dan, the CEO of Twitch, we've got people from Boardroom, and then the rest of the team are all on a yacht. So we've got branded sliders, all the Cannes essentials, I think we had like 2,000 people over what we had allocated apply, and we barely even marketed it. So that team is going to have a significantly busier and more eventful evening than me. But hopefully after dinner I'll be able to run down and see the guys there too, or at least catch up with them afterwards before we all go back. So yeah, off to 2 official events happening at the same time at Cannes Lions. Absolute bonkers. And we are setting supper club number 1.
So where are we going, Bill?
We are going to the next level prime tag yacht.
Okay, this might be totally useless because I'm filming in the dark because I don't want to wake my kids up. Oh, there we go, outside light. Oh, I'm tired. I'm literally running on empty. Didn't even bother to try and get into Ray at the Spotify beach. I just want to go into bed and sleep. But my kids have been a bit of a nightmare for the nanny. But yeah, I went and ran a sub club, which was hugely successful and brilliant, and the room of people was unbelievable. Haven't been around like senior like CMOs that are American for a really long time, and I forget, just like we speak the same language but they're so different, like different views, different opinions, different ways we see the world. I've really enjoyed it and really enjoyed my time, but was sat next to a guy that I messaged in 2020 and never met, but he was like, look, I'm really busy. He works for Major League Basketball. He was like, I'm going to give you some tickets, have a great time. And I was like, I'm pretty sure you looked after me. So it was really nice, like 6 years later. And at the same time, the team were running a yacht party, and I have no idea how it went. I've seen like Grace Andrews, I've seen Sky, Mia, all post on the socials. Like, I know they had a great time. So I'm very excited to 1, get into bed, and 2, to find out from the team how everything was tomorrow. So good night. That was day 2, Tuesday. I'm so tired already. I am back at Pinterest and look at this view. Oh, so gorgeous. And look who I brought to work. The FQ Beach do a camp for kids, so I got to drop my big one off there. This one's a little bit too little, but unbelievable. So helpful for moms and get to bring your kids to work. So fun.
And people are like, how do you protect the culture? You don't protect it, you feed it.
It's Wednesday night. We are on our way to, well, actually we're on our way to the TikTok drinks, getting a little cheeky pre-drink in before we go and host our final supper club of Cannes Lions. Tonight is all about sport because Cannes Sport launched today. We spent quite a bit of time over at Sports Beach, so excited to catch up with lots of players, active, retired, and the team. So yeah, let's go and do our final hosting event.
I really want to go down there.
Right, how's your day been, Lil? What's been going on?
It's been good. Me and Bronte went to Ciroc, and then we also went to Altinet and met the team there. And now we're going to another supper club as well. Well, Bronte and Sedge are. So then I'm heading for dinner.
Highlight today.
Ciroc and the amount of insane gifting they gave us. Yeah, I think we had about 25 lip glosses.
Enough for the 5 hours. They probably just got someone fired because they couldn't be bothered to put them in all the individual boxes. It's Thursday. I'm in the speaker lounge. We're just waiting to go to our rehearsal. So yeah, very legit. We do a full sound check, full rehearsal the day before a talk, and then I'm going to go and watch as much as I possibly can at Sport Lions, which is obviously the first time they've done that this year. And then I've got a lunch with Adobe later. So plenty going on today. It's meant to be the hottest day on record in France, so that'll be really fun, nice and sweaty when I meet loads of new people. But yeah, welcome to the speaker lounge.
We are heading to sound check. Sedge has got her slides prepped. We're ready to go. We are by ManyChat, which we actually use literally all the time. They've got cute little postcards that you can send to anywhere in the world. With the most kid-coded merch we've seen, which is so perfect for all the working mums. We are now in the fabulous YouTube.
The authenticity element, we've got to go so deep. And so I think we need to really push. And and start being so safe.
Great, fantastic advice. Thank you, everyone.
We are at the Adobe Lounge. I have done so much. I have been to a couple of talks at Sports Lions. We have been and spent quite a bit of time at YouTube and seen all their shopping stuff that's coming and happening. I've had such a different cat experience to my previous cat experience, and it's been non-stop. I'm so glad my kids are here too, because I've been able to like really strike the balance of like honesty and transparency, like 75% working my absolute bollocks off, but then it's been good to have like the breaks and to do bits and pieces with the kids. So somehow it's Thursday and I think I've made it work. So yeah, I've got this lunch now, then I'm going to do something that is top secret and I'm hard to say, but maybe by the time you see this, it'll be out into the wild. Yeah, and I'm actually going to take a night off, all things can, and have a night where I go for a nice hot pizza with the kids, have an early night, and then I've got my speaker slot in the morning. Friday. I'm absolutely exhausted. I have just been non-stop. Sit down, have a chat, shall we? Yeah, also then trying to just make sure that I do my bit to help with the kids as well. And because we've no aircon, they are just on struggle hill because it's always so hot. So we've had 4 of us in a bed basically every single night, but it's all part of the fun. So yeah, today I'm going to do a talk on the Creator Beach stage, all about like what we can learn from the week, what we can take home. Often we go to these things and we hear everything that we should be doing, and then it feels really overwhelming when we get home. So been like listening to different bits and pieces and just pulling through the plan, the debrief, and there'll be a couple of other people for a panel as well. So we've got like JT, Eugene Healy, Leah. Then for everyone who's kind of hanging around a little bit longer, we are going to go and just do a nice like founders lunch, mega chilled. Yeah, and then I'm just going to be fully on kid duty. There'll be no hair and makeup. There'll be no white clothes. I'll be back into full-blown mum mode. So let's go and talk at Cannes.
We are heading over to the talk now to meet the other speakers. Sedge is all glam and ready.
Hey, you okay?
How you doing?
Nice to meet you. Hi, how's it going?
Hi, nice to see you again.
It's so nice to meet you.
Hi, bonjour. They are serving Aperol spritzes for breakfast. Not sure we're quite on that level today.
I don't have the insight yet.
And learning from Cannes Lion, let's give a loud, rambunctious welcome. Stage is yours.
You used to be my hype man everywhere I go. It's great. Well done everyone for getting here. I'm going to do a bit of audience participation because it's a Friday morning. You're all slightly hungover and knackered. Who managed to blag their way into Ray? One person! That is a surprise. Who has been battling it out and taking anyone down just to get a bit of fan access? Yeah, there we go, that's the one. And who took the bingo card of getting on a yacht? Okay, 50%. This year, obviously, Cannes had a big focus. They introduced sports, and I've spent a lot of time at the Carlton hearing different views and different opinions from athletes to amazing, incredible brands. There were 2 big things that really stuck with me. And the one is this quote: anyone who joins a team should improve culture. It really made me think about this week, because we come here, anyone in our team just thinks we're on a bit of a jolly. I really want you to think about what will you do on Monday to make sure that your team really understand why you're here.
With all of these creators that are summoning themselves, like it is starting to build almost this Coachella effect.
And you're making things all across the board, the algorithm is going to show your content to things all across the board.
Horizontal video strategy. What is your series strategy?
How many creators paved their own way to come here?
Just finished. We were on stage for an hour. So we are hot and sweaty, but it was brilliant, and the guys that were also on the panel were really brilliant. So good talk, good panel, everyone is happy, and now we're going to do a very low-key, very cash founders next level lunch. Could be one person, could be 5 people. It's just we got it. We made it to the end of the week, lads.